So Germany's election is over, the exit poll is out, and here's what you need to know.
A grand coalition is most likely between the centre-left SPD and the conservative CDU-CSU grouping. So what are they going to change? Well, Germany has major economic problems. Germany is literally falling apart, infrastructure crumbling, energy prices through the roof, and the country is in recession right now.
So what's the plan? Well, first of all, say hello to this guy, Friedrich Merz. He's the boss of the CDU party, which came out on top by quite a margin, meaning he's most likely to be chancellor. His party wants to cut taxes for businesses, hoping that they'll invest the spare cash in growth. Then there's Olaf Scholz. He's from the SPD, the previous chancellor. His party wants a 100 billion euro investment fund. The two parties actually agree on quite a lot, such as tweaking the government's strict debt spending limits, investing more in energy infrastructure to reduce the cost of power, and cutting red tape. Make no mistake though, the problem is tough. Can Germany spend its way out of a crisis while cutting taxes, while its key export industries like cars, machine building, chemicals, pharmaceuticals are all losing out to China? What the country needs is vision. If its biggest industries are not future-proof, then what is going to be the next champion industry that's going to take Germany into the future, and how are we going to build it? One little wrinkle though is that the parties still have to come together to negotiate what their common platform would be if they become a government. These coalition talks could take weeks, if not months, and all that means that the combination of SPD and CDU-CSU is not guaranteed, but it's still very likely. But the real question is whether these two sides can come together and save Germany quickly enough from economic decline. While Trump is trying to slap tariffs on the EU, which will affect German exports significantly, or while German companies' market share in China, which they depended on for growth, is now declining, and China is selling the types of products into Europe that used to be the exclusive preserve of German companies. Or are Germany's days as an economic powerhouse in Europe numbered?